everyone, welcome back to another video on my channel. Today I am super excited to get to share with you the brand new Light Elegance P+ packaging. We have new packaging. We also maybe have a little sneak peek of the winter collection, which is by far one of my favorites. I was amazed when I saw the new glitters. It's so good. I think they are available out already, but I'm gonna definitely show you those at the end so you can see the new colors. So we have those in the P+ as well. We have the new packaging. I'm gonna compare the new packaging to the old packaging, kind of give you guys a little tour of the new packaging. I'm loving it so far. I definitely think it's an amazing change in the right direction. Let's go and get started, and I'm gonna compare these, show you guys close up, kind of the differences, what they look like. We can do a little tour of the new packaging. Okay, so taking a quick look at the old packaging, we have these black bottles and they are a rounded shape. Now, the shape I didn't love before because you can see if you put them together, you lose space in the top and the bottom. Like they don't fit nice and snug together like on your shelf, so you're gonna lose some space there. You could turn them sideways if you wanted to, but then you're not going to see the label on the front. So you kind of, it's a little bit tricky to kind of store these so that you can see the colors and also maximize space. Now for the new packaging, we have these beautiful white bottles. These are more of a rectangle shape, and so they fit really nice and snug next to each other, which is amazing. You could turn them sideways as well, and they're gonna fit nice and snug. And the really nice part that I love is they have the swatches now at the top. So before, you were not able to see the color like when you put them in your drawer. So this is super nice because now we have these beautiful new swatches at the top. So it makes it super easy if you want to store them in a drawer. Now you can easily see what color you're going to grab. And then again, I love how more snug they fit next to each other. It's gonna lay next to each other so much nicer on a shelf or in a drawer. It's gonna save you a lot of space. I am a fan of the white packaging. I think it looks really sleek. I think it looks professional, and you have the kind of logos in the Light Elegance, you know, their signature pink color as well. So all in all, I really, really like this new white packaging. A few more differences is the old packaging was 15 mils of product and the new packaging is 10 mils of product. One really great thing about having the new packaging that has a little bit less product is the price difference. You're gonna be saving about $3 per bottle with the new packaging because it's a little bit less product. I don't think it's a problem to have less product at all because very rarely, for me personally, like would I go through colors often, like all the way through a color. You're gonna have like your normal, like your white, black, nudes, that kind of stuff that you're definitely gonna use more of. And those ones I would go through, but just like if you wanted to buy the new collections, whatever, I felt it like was very rare that I would go through all of those bottles all the way through. And then the new price point is also going to make it easier if you wanted to purchase one of the new collections. It's going to be a lot more easy on the wallet. So I know that sometimes, especially when we are newer, we're newer nail techs, we're still building up our collections, we're still working on building our business and our clientele, it can be kind of hard to purchase the new collections. They're a little bit more spendy, but it's like you want those new colors so bad. This way, it's going to be a lot more affordable for everyone to be able to purchase the new collections or purchase new colors that you want to try. So I'm a huge fan of the new packaging with a little bit less product, making it more affordable, less waste. I love it. So nothing about the formulas have changed with the new packaging. So it's just the new packaging. You still have the same formula. So Light Elegance has always been HEMA-free, 9-free, vegan, cruelty-free. All of that good stuff, it's not going to change. It's still the same product inside the bottle. So what's going to happen in the future, like with all the colors that we already know and love, they're going to slowly start releasing more and more of the colors in the new packaging and then discontinuing the old packaging. And so they're kind of starting with the most popular colors that they have already and they're gonna start transitioning those into the new packaging first. So right now, as I'm filming this video, it could maybe be more since it gets posted, but as I'm filming this video, there are 33 colors available in the new packaging and 17 glitters available in the new packaging. And that includes the fall collection that just came out previously, as well as the brand new winter collection that just came out like literally a couple days ago. So you got the new collections are going to be coming out in the new packaging, and then they're just going to start rolling out kind of their best sellers, their most popular colors and glitters as time goes on. And then as for like the essentials, we got our base coat, top coat. They also come in the new packaging. They are a different color, so I think that's kind of cool because it makes it super easy if you want to just grab it out of your drawer. You're going to know like which one you're going for. So we have our base coat, which is the QDbase. And it's kind of like this darker gray color, which is also matte. And then we have our top coat, which is kind of like the middle gray color. It's a shiny bottle. And then we also have the brand new P+ Flat Matte. So they finally came out with a matte top coat for their P+ collection. And this is kind of an even lighter gray that's also a matte finish. So we've got these 3 beautiful new packaging for our base coats and top coats. Okay, so let's go into some of the colors that have been rolled out already in this new packaging. We have our staples, definitely. So we have black tie, which is a fan favorite for our black, just a regular straight black, no shimmer. Some of these colors I have used previously and some of them I haven't. So some of these are going to be new to me, but they are obviously fan favorites. So I'm excited to try them since I haven't tried them out before. For the red, we have Red Rover. And again, this is going to be like your staple red in your collection. And then we have the classic white. So you got your red, your black, and white to begin with. So that's great that you always need those 3 colors no matter what in any collection. We do have 2 more whites. We have White Swimsuit, which is a kind of shimmery, slightly off-white, like a creamy white that has a little bit of a shimmer in it. So we've got our classic white, our White Swimsuit, which is going to be your creamy shimmer. And then we also have White Meringue, which is going to be your sheer milky white. So we have a good range of whites, like whatever kind of white that you are after, we have it. I know I've used White Swimsuit in the past, and I know that is definitely a fan favorite. Now for the other colors, we have Pika Blue, which looks like it's a super bright, this one I haven't used. It's a super bright, like royal blue. So that's really good to have. We have Naive, which looks kind of like a nudish kind of pink color. A little bit more maybe peachy pink. Soft Serve, which is a really pretty light purple. I'm excited. Like some of these I have not used before. I don't think I've used Soft Serve before. And it looks like such a beautiful light purple shade. We have She's a Knockout, which looks like another kind of neutral color. Night Terror Teal. I've definitely used this one before. This one is a really fun shade and it's super unique. I remember I couldn't really find anything else like it in my collection. It's a really bright teal color. It's super pretty. This one was definitely a fan favorite with my clients. And then I also have 3 glitters, and I'm super excited about these because 1, it includes my all-time top favorite Light Elegance glitter, and then the other 2 are definitely like in my top 10. So my all-time favorite is Champagne. This is like hands down my favorite glitter Light Elegance has ever made. It's the perfect, to me, it's the perfect rose gold, but it also has some holographic glitters in there, so you really get a good like mix, a good dimension in the glitter. But rose gold, I think it's rose gold. Some people might view rose gold as a little bit more pink, but to me, this is like the perfect rose gold. It's so pretty. And it is like packed with glitter. Like it doesn't look sheer. It doesn't look like it's gonna be super sparse or patchy. It's like packed with glitter. So Champagne is my #1 favorite glitter gel that Light Elegance makes. The other one we have is Tiny Diamond, which is, again, in my top 10. It is the perfect like white glitter, bridal looks. Anytime I want to use a white glitter, I go for Tiny Diamond. It's so pretty. And then lastly, we have Bee in Your Bonnet, which is definitely, again, another one in my top 10. I know I keep saying that. I'm just so glad that they picked these three to start with because love it. Bee in Your Bonnet, it's like a light pink iridescent glitter, and it looks so good if you apply it just over like a natural color or like a sheer pink, and then you go in with this over the top and it looks so pretty. It's gorgeous. Like some of my favorite, I like can picture it in my head, like a design that I did using Bee in Your Bonnet, and it was so pretty. One color, I did check the website to see if it has been added yet. One glitter that I really hope that they make in the P+ is Smoke and Hot Pepper. That is like my favorite black glitter gel. It's so good. I really hope they make Smoke and Hot Pepper in the P+ version. Okay, now I really wanted to share the brand new collection that came out literally a couple days ago. It is the new P+. The new collection is called the Broadway Show. So this is their winter collection. I usually am a big fan of winter collections because I love glitter. Like I love sparkle, and usually in winter collections, they kind of go more like all out with the sparkle. Like they add the holographic, they add all that stuff like to give it like a really big punch of sparkle. So winter collections are usually like one of my favorites. Called the Broadway Show, and so we have 6 new colors and 6 new glitters. We have, again, same formulas, 21 days of wear, apply over your base coat. You can also apply it over a JimmyGel, like your structured gel or your hard gel, HEMA-free, highly pigmented, vegan. So we got all the good stuff still in the brand new collection. So the first one we have is called Break a Leg, and it is a white shimmery. It's part of the color collection. So it's not a glitter, it's more of a shimmer. It's a super fine white shimmery color. Love that. Called Break a Leg. Then we have So Dramatic, and it is a shimmery, I don't know what you call it, purple, but like lots of shimmer in there as well. So we like that. Then we have Please Be Seated. It's like a brown, but it has a little bit of maybe a purple or a red in it. So it's kind of like a warm brown. I like it. You know that trend that's going around right now, like called cherry mocha nails? It's kind of like that, maybe a little bit more brown than cherry, but it has kind of those tones in it. Then we have Take a Bow, which is a nice kind of gray color, which is always good for winter. Then here we have the one red, which is called Curtain Call, and it is a berry red, not orange base, but more blue base, and it's got a nice shimmer in it. So we have this one, Curtain Call. And last for the colors, we have Dress Rehearsal, which is a really pretty dark, like navy blue. Again, such a good staple to have in the wintertime. So those are our colors. Now our glitters. They're so pretty. Okay, so a lot of these glitters have holographic incorporated into them, which is my favorite. That is my favorite type of glitter. Just throw some holographic in there, please, at all times. So we have All Eyes on Me. This one doesn't have holographic in it. This one is kind of like your straight, like one color glitter, and it's a really pretty, almost like a light purple, like a pastel kind of light purple. Tough Act to Follow, which is, oh my goodness, it's so good. It's like a blue with light blue, purple, pink. Again, we have our holographic glitters in there. It's so pretty. Then we have She's a Star, which this one kind of reminds me of Bee in Your Bonnet, the one I had just shared, but Bee in Your Bonnet is more pink and this is more white, like kind of like a snow, kind of like a good snow glitter. This one's more white. And Bee in Your Bonnet is more pink, but it almost has the same type of, yeah. So we have Bee in Your Bonnet is this one, and it has a little bit more pink. This one is the new one called She's a Star. it's a little bit more white, but they kind of have the same type of glitters in them, like these beautiful iridescent glitters. So I think both of them are a must-have because I already know Bee in Your Bonnet is like a really popular one for me. So I know She's a Star is going to be great. This one's called Everyone's a Critic. I love this one. I love this one. This one is so good. It is chunky glitter, medium glitter, fine glitter, every single color that you could possibly think of. We have green, red, yellow, orange, blue, purple. Like, it's so fun. I love it. It is just like the most chunky, like winter glitter, every single color. It'll probably go with everything. It's so good. Everyone's a Critic, 10 out of 10. Bravo is a nice green, which is great. And again, it has the holographic glitters in there. I know green can be a little bit more difficult, but especially in the wintertime, December, that's when you start using greens more. So I really like that. And then lastly, in the winter collection, Standing Ovation. And this one is like a mermaid, teal, turquoise, blue. Those are all the words that are coming to my mind. This one is so pretty. I just am in love. Also, when applying the glitter, I like to apply it in a little bit more of a floaty kind of method. That way you get like maximum coverage with that glitter. If you push your brush down like a lot and you're trying to swipe this glitter on, you're gonna end up like scraping the glitter off of the nail. So I kind of do a really light pressure and just kind of gently brush it on and float it on the nail, and it works beautifully. I definitely recommend the winter collection. It's so good. Definitely one of my favorites. Like, the glitters knocked it out of the park. Love the glitters so much, and I love that we only have one red, which is perfect. I love it. I'm super excited about it. So let me know what you guys think. Are you a fan of the new packaging? Did you like the old packaging? Honestly, I feel like the new bottles are perfect and they're great, and I like them better than the old packaging. So I would rather have them switch and we can all kind of slowly work through our products, and then we all have the new packaging. It'll be great. So you can go to lightelegance.com to grab the colors in the new packaging as well as the brand new winter collection. So thank you guys so much for watching. Don't forget to give this video a thumbs up. Make sure to hit that subscribe button. Follow me on all my social media, and I will see you guys later. Bye.